Hi boys and girls, I'm out here in my yard and we're going to talk today a little bit about air. Now there's air all around me, but you can't see it. You can feel it when it's moving. You can see it moves my bangs a little bit or my hair, or if there's big winds it can move things, other big things around. But we're going to talk about air that we put inside a container, and right here I have a container. This is a balloon and I'm going to put air into it. I'm going to use air from my lungs. And since the balloon is stretchy, it gets bigger. The air forces the balloon to stretch. Now, if I tie it, the air will stay in there and keep the balloon like this, but I'm not going to tie it. I'm just going to let it fly away. Now, I want to show you how I'm going to put some air into another container. Now, this right here is a glass, and I have a special tablet. And this tablet right here, when I mix it with water, it makes a chemical reaction and it will make air. So if you look, you see the air bubbles coming out of it? See that? And it's making air. Now it does that, and this glass doesn't have a top on it, so the air can just come right out and go out to the rest of the air. But if I make that same chemical reaction inside a container like this and put a lid on it that traps it inside, we're going to see what happens. So I'm going to bring it over here and put it on my cement. I'm going to put it right down here, and I'm going to put this tablet inside here, and it'll start to make air. And I'm going to put that lid on nice and tight, give it a little shake, and we're going to watch and see what happens, what the air pressure does to it. Sometimes it takes a little while. I'm trying to hold it real still. We'll back up a little bit. Let's see if we can get it all. See what happens. We're waiting. Inside it's making air, and the air's pushing and pushing and pushing, and there's no place for it to go. It can't leak out. And it's pushing, and it's getting tighter and tighter inside that little container. What do you think? It went way over there, and it popped because the air pressure made it launch right up. See, look, it's still making, where is it? It's still making some air, but it popped the top right off, and it came all the way over here. You want to see that again? It's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, we'll do that one more time. I got interrupted by a phone call, so I'm going to now put some more water in here, and then I'm going to get a piece of my magic tablet. It's actually Alka-Seltzer, and I'm going to lock it inside there. We're going to bring it over here and put it quick down on my cement, and then we're going to watch. I'm going to back up so we can see if we can see how high it goes. Okay, so we're watching, and inside all those air bubbles are pushing that container, and the sides don't blow up like a balloon. They stay hard, so the only way the air can get out is for the lid to come off. So it has to build up so much pressure that it pops the lid off of it, and it shoots it up like a rocket. Whoa! There it goes. Have fun, everybody. Okay, everybody, I had one more idea that I thought would be fun. Here's the balloon, and I'm gonna put some water in it. See that? And now I'm gonna put some tablets down in there, And then I'm going to tie it. And what do you think is going to happen to the balloon when it starts making air? I'm going to shake it up a little bit and let's see what happens to the balloon. Does it look like anything's happening? I can hear it. It's going shh. Let's see what's happening to the balloon. I see the air bubbles in there popping. Does it look like the balloon's getting a little bigger? Look at that, it's blowing the balloon up. Not as much as it blows up when I have it in my, when I blow the air in from my lungs. But it's blowing it up. Look how it's getting bigger. And now it's kind of hard. Isn't that cool? I bet if I put more in there, it would have gotten bigger. Okay, that's air pressure.